Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TMPS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. Does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green line here is coming from. And overall, the chart is still perfectly fine, but this is a little trickier of a chart to talk about because there's a lot of perspective now that comes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you were some sort of day trader flipper and you bought there, or who knows, maybe you chased the gap this morning, gap and trap from this morning. But anyways, any of those purchases where you bought and then your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking pretty rough right now. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, I get it. The price did pull back quite a bit from its highs, but overall, the chart does still technically have an opportunity to build a higher base. And as long as higher bases are being built over longer periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. And that's where 40 cents comes into play, and I think does a good job of illustrating this entire point. Now, I'm not saying the price is going to do this again, but let's just say that the price works its way back downwards, this 40 cents. History repeats itself. So the price does hold, works its way sideways, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, emphasis here on the big picture. From the big picture perspective, what would you still have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low right there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, you still have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. Again, that's the name of the game. It's all about making progress in the genuine upwards direction as time goes by. Once more, I'm well aware if you're some sort of day trader or flipper and you bought up there, then yeah, you don't care about these stair steps, but that's why I try to offer up a little bit of a warning that I would be commenting from a grander scheme type viewpoint. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today, as in 1 day. Looking at multiple days, which is what we're doing here, you can see the price does still have an opportunity to chip away and build an overall higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.